let's look into what the system actually created for us. We just created our provider down here, and again the files is being added here on the providers, but let's just quickly go to the app module up here, so see what actually happened here. Because we did the generate like we did with the page modules, it actually imports all these necessary dependencies for us, so we don't have to do them manually, which is awesome. But just in case, go to this app.module.ts and see if you have an import for utility provider. And down here in the providers at the bottom, in my case here, it says utilities provider. So just to make sure, the system should do this for you. But again, just to make sure, that's kind of just structuring what we're going to be using and so on, like with the other things we've been doing. We're going to be using the sub here. And in our case, we're going to be looking into the module as the first one. So providers is being created and put into the app. That's kind of the standard thing, but if we need to use it on a specific page, we need to add that into that module for the page, and I'm going to use it in the sub.modules.ts. So we're going to call it in here, so we're ready to use it. After our entry components here, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. After our entry component here, we're going to add our provider. So just here where I did the dot, we're going to write providers, and it's going to help us create the specific name for this. So let's just do it like the on top, so without the space. And then we're going to create these squared brackets here. Hit enter, so it looks like this. And in here we're going to call our provider, and you guessed right, it's utilities provider, and it's going to help you. So just see up here now, because I clicked enter and have the system or WebStorm complete my sentence, it also imported it up here. So if I just redo it and see, ooh, it's gone, and now utilities, provider, enter, bam, it just puts it up here, so I don't have to. That's the next part of this. So we also got our pages modules to actually use our the provider here. So we're ready to use it now. That's kind of the two things we're going to need for now, and then we're going to start adding things into our utilities, our provider on here, to structure all the things we want to print out. So we're going to be working in this one in a little while. See you in the next video.